Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to do a custom animation in Camtasia 2020. So I'm going to start by going up here to favorites, and I'm going to grab the arrow here, and then I'm going to stretch it out, and then I'm going to go over here to animations and click on the animations tab, and then I am going to click on the custom and bring that down to the timeline. And now what you do is the starting point is where that object is, and now I'm going to go ahead and run this object over to right there. And now if I go back and I play it, it moves over there. Now if I want to change the speed that it moves, I just go down here and I stretch it out, and now it moves much slower because I've essentially told it to do it over a longer period of time. Now if I want to, let's say from there I want it to go up, I go up here and I grab custom again and I drop it right down there, and again that is going to control the speed at which it does it. And now I'm going to tell it I want it to go up. That's where I want it to end. So now it has saved that, and if I start it again, it goes over to the right, and then it stops, and now it should go up. And yes, it does. It's going up, and it stops where I told it to. So that is how you do an animation, a custom animation. Let's say I want to put the marker back right there, and now I want it to go, I now want it to go back over to there. So now that I've got those three animations, let's see what it does. Goes over. Now it's going to go up, and now it's going to go back down to the lower left. Boom. So that's how you do a custom animation. You can do that with anything that you want. I've chosen to do it with a arrow, but I mean you could take another picture or image that you import or whatever you want to do. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.